This would be a normal vehicle, like an SUV, right? How wide
Hey, hold your hands to it.
How wide it is, right?
Like 2 hands maybe.
Okay, 2 hands, right?
Yeah.
Okay, here's my Lamborghini wheel.
Woo! Looking nice.
Oh, how nice of no weed to show up.
Seriously, hey, I just want to say one thing. This vehicle looks unreal, actually. You keep it clean.
No, hold up. 15 minutes before I got here, Marcus Rempel washed it for me in the PV Mart parking lot. So anyway, we're at Roll and Steel here.
Hey, for a lot of people that don't know, what is this place?
Roll and Steel they do custom wheels, they repair wheels, they do anything and everything with wheels and tires. Darren is the man. Let's go see how he did on the wheels today.
So wait. So
well, hold up.
Yeah, what's happening?
Well, my Lamborghini's changing. It's like a chameleon, it's changing
Let
colors.
me zoom into your face. What do you mean changing?
It's changing.
Sweet, well, let's get
go.
inside.
This would be a normal vehicle, like an SUV, right? How wide
Hey,
it is.
hold your hands to it.
How wide it is, right?
Like 2 hands maybe.
Okay, 2 hands, right?
Yeah.
Okay, here's my Lamborghini wheel.
What? Like 4, double.
Yeah, 4, yeah.
Is there a difference between the back and the front? Or is it the same wheel?
Darren's got one.
Oh,
And
that's
the
crazy.
front is still a pretty wide wheel.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
So what's happening here? You gotta sand this thing down?
He has to, is this Scotch-Brite? Oh, he's got Scotch-Brite. So
Yeah, with some Scotch-Brite and sand the whole thing down.
Yeah, so scuffs it all, every bit and piece, otherwise paint doesn't stick. Repairs it where it needs to be. Then he's got a paint booth and he'll spray them.
Look at that. So this is like a time-consuming thing.
Yeah, he has to do the inside and everything, right?
We're gonna paint the whole wheel.
This doesn't matter, but everything else does, right?
Oh,
As a rule of thumb, when you want overspray to stick, it doesn't. And when you don't want it to, it will.
Hey, Steve.
Hey, no,
do you low-key feel like you are micromanaging their work? Huh?
I don't micromanage Darren.
Huh?
Darren micromanages me.
But you want to see the process. You want to.
I love seeing the process. I used to do this. That's Darren.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Well, not with him. He replaced me.
Oh. So what's the best part? Is it the spray part?
Yeah, it's just like painting a car. The most satisfying part's the paint going on. So when you prep a car, anything you miss or any imperfection you have, the paint's water thin, so it'll show, right? So this is the worst part.
And why would you paint it instead of wrapping it?
The wheel?
Yeah.
That'd be a headache to wrap.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you took that to a guy to wrap it, he'd probably tell you to get the hell out.
Yeah.
Really?
Because wrap doesn't bend this many directions. So
Oh.
if you'd have seams on it, you could wrap just like the face of it.
Another thing, why can't you plasti dip this or whatever those cans that come?
Because it's a Lamborghini.
If you take
There we go. You got it worked out.
Yeah.
plasti dip, is worse than dentine on the planet.
Really?
Because when you have to take it off after and someone hasn't applied it correctly, it is a nightmare.
I'll just throw this out there in a weed. I bought a mini truck with a guy named Brendan Boxall about 5 years ago when I was in Jamaica. He went and picked it up. It was plasti dipped. It was such a nightmare to get all the plasti dip off. I just decided to repaint the truck.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So that whole hype about plasti dip was just all a joke.
It was good when it came out because people loved it until they found out what it was. Do it correctly, it's not bad, but nobody does because they're cheap. As an example, what are we, 200 bucks a wheel to paint these? Give or take.
Give or take, yeah.
Give it 200 bucks a wheel, right?
Yeah.
Well, if you're to plasti dip them correctly, it'd be $50 a wheel.
Have you told people what color you're doing it?
No.
No? Okay.
Only you know.
Yeah, I'm super excited. So I'm
gonna
like,
be sick.
I like that we're coming back tomorrow
Yeah,
because
it's
I
gonna
want to
be
see.
awesome.
I want to see them do it.
Yeah, it's gonna be cool.
Sweet. Okay, well,
do it.
yeah, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. That's not good.
Well, that's not good.
It's not good.
What's not
So
good?
the wrap was shipped from Anosatech on last week.
Damn.
Still in LA. Well, we can go check on the wheels. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, might as well. Not like we can wrap a car right now. So.
Yeah, we can't wrap it, but the wheels should be on their way. Let's go. Let's check on Darren at Roll and Steel. Hey, look.
You donated $1. Nice.
No, Brad Hyde, the awesome realtor of Martinsville, donated like $20 and brought us a whole bunch of them.
Nice.
So now I got lunch on my way there. Let's roll.
Sweet. Well, let's get out of here. Steve, didn't you just fill this car up?
Not this one, but you know what? Only when you're in a hurry, you need gas. You know what I dig about this car over my Aventador?
What?
This awesome billet gas cap. I know I tell you every time, but I want the people to know I dig this. And you know what? Don't shit on me because I'm putting this on the car. It's a self-healing wrap. It'll be fine. Let's roll. I got chocolate on things.
What? And on your shirt there. Yes.
Oh yeah. It's hard to drive that car. Need a cookie.
Hey, in reality though, what car do you like driving better? That or the Aventador?
That one.
Really?
Yeah.
Over the Aventador?
Yep.
Why?
Smaller, it's easier to drive. It's got a high exhaust.
Oh, that's fair. That's fair.
Man,
This is it.
Oh, man.
It's happening,
This
Steve.
is it.
It's happening.
Do you know how a paint booth works?
No.
So from the air exchanger out there coming through this filter here,
Yep.
is air coming in, and then it gets sucked out the other side through those filters back there, and then it blows outside.
So it's always nice and clean in there.
It's zero dust. That's the idea, is zero dust. Oh, look at that. He's painting the wheel weights so you don't see them.
Is that a normal thing? Do they always just paint the
That's
wheel
just the
weight?
service you get here.
Steve's, are we picking up the wheels today?
I'm the dog whisperer.
I see that. I see that.
Look how happy he is. Is this a boy or a girl?
She.
Girl? Look how happy she is.
Yeah, I see.
Oh, she loves the attention. We got the wheels tomorrow, Naweed.
Sweet.
That's the plan.
Getting the wheels tomorrow, putting them on the car, and you're dropping the vehicle off tomorrow.
Dropping the vehicle off. Wrap is still delayed till Monday. I'm in Victoria till Tuesday. So
So we're not seeing this car till like next week, essentially.
next Friday.
Well, I guess
if we're
we'll-
lucky, the wrap will show up Friday. Richard will wrap it over the weekend into Monday, Tuesday. We'll get it Tuesday, if we're lucky.
I'll see you tomorrow here. We'll pick it up and go and put them on the car. I think it still will look cool with the blue on blue.
You think so? It's a different shade of blue than the car.
Yeah,
Look
so
at
it'd be
this
like
dog just loves me.
It'd be a blue on blue.
Oh man, I see them right there in a weed. They look good.
Hey, I just want to say one thing. Are you one of the people that I have to blur your license plate?
I don't give a shit.
Why do people blur those?
I don't know, man. You drive around all day with your license plate. Like, I don't know why people
Like
blur
they
them.
literally put their finger up like this.
I don't get it. I don't. You know what? Drop me a comment and let me know why you blur your license plate, because I want to know.
Yeah.
I hope we get 1 million views on this video and people see my license plate.
That being said, do a lot of people know that the back suspension goes down on this
Oh, yeah.
when you're getting groceries?
Watch my knee, right? Right here. Look.
Look at that.
You know what, Naweed? I don't like this anymore.
What? What do you mean?
I've had it for 3 months. Let's get a different vehicle.
3 months?
Yeah.
Leah, if you're watching this, we gave him, what was it, like 10 months? No, we gave you like,
That's true.
We gave you like 10 months
Okay,
of this. Yeah.
drop the clip here
Yeah.
of when I got it a few months ago.
10 months. And after 3, you're bored with it.
3. Let's go car shopping next week.
God, seriously.
Oh, they look good. Look at.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, the dog's here. This is Piper.
God, pipes. Oh, look at those. Man, that is bright.
That's gonna look so good.
Look how clean it looks with the emblem in the middle.
Told you it looked good.
Oh, God. Like a glove.
Like a glove. That's it. Cool. Thanks,
Sweet.
buddy.
Thank you,
Killed it.
sir.
Thanks for the short deadline.
Yeah, no problem.
See you later.
Thanks, man.
This is an exciting day.
Naweed, I think you should come to Martinsville right now.
Sweet. Are we putting them on?
Yeah.
Cool.
You
let's
have
go.
time?
Yeah.
I gotta stop at home and get a key because Serge killed the battery in the Aventador.
Hey, you know what I just realized? We could have put them in the back of my truck. If I'm going to Martinsville, honest, I had the truck. It's fine. It's cool. Whatever.
I'm not impressed.
Yeah. Well, I'll see you at Martinsville.
Yeah.
Woo! Looks clean.
Okay, I've got these train horns that Serge is gonna mount to my Lamborghini now.
Yeah.
Serge, can you put these train horns in my car? Definitely. Perfect. I got the tool for it. Hey, I got the wheels for that outside and I don't want to get dirty. Can we put them on? We can definitely put them on. Okay, let's do it right now. Right now. Right now.
Woo!
Here's the front. Oh wow. Don't they look good? Nice. Oh man. Wow.
And the last one right there.
these rotors, you can chip them, and if you chip one, they're wrecked.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's actually not bad there, Steven.
I thought it'd be too much blue, like Serge said, a little Eiffel 65, but no, it looks good. But there's one more step to the transformation. It was supposed to happen this week, but it didn't.
Well, the good old Aventador is finally.
I just want a burger.
Well, how do you feel?
I'm nervous.
What are you nervous about?
Well, I'm not gonna sleep for a week, and I'm gonna be nervous because like they're taking stuff apart, right?
Yeah.
And I'm a mechanic, I get it. Shit happens when you take things apart. Well, if they take something apart and a clip breaks and it's 2 weeks away or 3 weeks away from Italy, now we got a problem.
Now you can't drive this thing, and your season's basically over.
Let's be honest, it's September, what, 11th?
Yeah.
Or something?
No, 18th or 16th.
Yeah, whatever. We got maybe, let's be really optimistic, 4 weeks of car season left.
Yeah.
November 4th last year, we got that giant blizzard that brought 4 feet of snow and 80K winds, right?
Yeah.
So there's no room for error, but there's almost no kilometers on it. It's a 15, it's always been stored inside, so everything should be soft and come apart, you know? Let's go to Burger King, there's one over there.
Let's go.
Oh man, no weed. I know you don't build cars, but
Yeah.
sometimes car building doesn't go as planned.
Maybe this is why I don't do car stuff.
Well, now we're gonna take it
Blue on blue?
Oh, and the weed.
Well,
Somebody broke my doors, they don't open this.
well, off to Phobia to drop off the vehicle.
Yeah, we'll drop it off. We'll bring it back Sunday. They can do the route next week when you and I are in van.
Yeah.
And I haven't booked a hotel for van, so if you have somewhere you want to stay,
Hot.
just kidding. Weston.